Corded rotary toolkits are versatile and efficient tools that are perfect for both professional craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts. There are many products available to choose corded rotary toolkits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best corded rotary toolkits from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. New Master 180W Rotary Toolkit. New Master 180W Rotary Toolkit is a corded power tool that comes with 165 accessories and 6 variable speeds. The electric rotary tool is equipped with a 2.0 universal chuck, which allows for quick and easy accessory changes. The kit includes a flex shaft and a cover shield for better protection and easy storage. The ergonomic design of the tool ensures comfort for long working hours, and the ventilation holes on the housing effectively dissipate the heat of running motor, extending tool's life. This rotary tool is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and crafting projects. Number 2. Workpro 12V Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Workpro Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a powerful and versatile tool that can quickly sand, grind, and cut through various materials. It comes with 114 accessories that can be easily changed using the 2 sizes of universal chuck. The rotary tool has 5 speed options, allowing users to choose the best speed for the job at hand. It is lightweight, compact, and equipped with a hook for effortless long hours of work. The toolkit is packed in a high-quality polyester fabric bag, making it an excellent gift for DIY enthusiasts. Number 3. VALAX Power Rotary Toolkit. VALAX Rotary Toolkit offers a high-performance motor with variable speeds ranging from 8,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, allowing for precise control while working on delicate engravings. The extra-long power cord ensures safe and flexible operation, reducing fatigue with its ergonomic design. The high-concentricity chuck securely holds accessories in place, compatible with various brands. With 120 included attachments, you can sand, polish, cut, shape, drill, engrave, and more. The kit comes in a solid carrying case, making it ideal for crafting and DIY projects at home, or as a gift for professionals and hobbyists. Number 4. DIPC Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The DIPC Cordless Rotary Tool is a versatile and powerful tool for DIY and home improvement projects. With 5 variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, you can adjust the rotation speed to fit your needs. The tool is cordless and has a 2 battery with a Type-C charging interface, making it easy to charge and use anywhere. The safety mechanism ensures that the tool won't stop accidentally, giving you peace of mind while you work. At only 0.82 pounds and 8.8 inches long, it's comfortable to hold and perfect for detailed work. The kit comes with 127 accessories, including a cutting guide, making it a great choice for grinding, sanding, carving, polishing, and drilling a variety of materials. Number 5. VALAX 12V Cordless Rotary Toolkit. Introducing the VALAX Cordless Rotary Toolkit, a powerful and versatile tool that will revolutionize your DIY projects. With its 12V strong power and 6 speeds ranging from 5,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, this cordless rotary tool is perfect for cutting, grinding, and wood carving. The keyless chuck allows for easy attachment changes without the need for collets, while the flex shaft provides added flexibility for various applications. The compact and ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it a great companion for long hours of work. The LED battery remaining display keeps you informed about the power status, and the separate charger extends the battery life. With 119 accessories included, this toolkit has everything you need to get started. Plus, with the 1-year warranty and excellent after-sales service, you can buy with confidence. Upgrade your toolkit with the VALAX Rotary Toolkit and enjoy the convenience and precision it brings to your projects. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.